Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this Mitsubishi Outlander GX1 4-work DID. Now this is a 2.2 diesel engine, 150 brake horsepower vehicle, and it's in exceptional order. Last owner bought it 1 year ago from a reputable van dealer, and previous to that it was one blue chip company owner who only did just short of 2,500 miles in the first 6 years of its life. Now the vehicle was a pool van that was only probably really used when the other vehicles were in for maintenance, etc. But when you look at the MOT history, at the third year, when it's first MOT, it's 1,042 miles. And then that was in 2018. Then in 2019 it's 1,118 miles. And then in 2020 it's 1,238 miles. And then in 2021, wait for it, it's done more than 1,000 miles in that year. It goes to 2,416 miles. And that's when the last sort of keeper purchased it. Now they swapped this in for a brand new van with ourselves. So I'm going to take you around it because this is as near as brand new as I could possibly take a 15 plate van, and it's just done over 16,000 miles now. So we're finished in frost white, which is absolutely fantastic. The paintwork is, as one can imagine, for a 16,000 mile vehicle, is in near as good order. Now the 4-work, this van won Van of the Year in 2014 for being one of the most fuel efficient and specified vehicles on the market. And we're going to look around it. It's riding on, as I say, Geolander ATS all-terrain tyres, and they're Yokohama, and they're 4 matching tyres. The front paintwork again on the bumper's superb. We've got the front spot lamps, thinking about it's been in storage or it's been sat more than it's ever been driven, and it's in superb condition. So we've got 2 keys with it. We've got the service documentation, we've got all the books, everything on it's Mitsubishi, so I'll take you around it. Down the sides there's no trolley dents, the paintwork is in exceptional order. We've got a Mitsubishi factory roof rack and roof bars, which is also removable if you wish. Obviously you've got deletion of the rear windows being the 4-work, but effectively this is a car with without the windows. So it drives like a car. You've got the fuel economy of a car, you've got the switchable 4-wheel drive system on it. So if you do require the use of a 4-wheel drive but you don't want the fuel economy, this is 2-wheel drive, and then press the button, it's 4-wheel drive. This one has a detachable tow bar, which when I take off the cap, it barely looks like it's ever been used. We've got reversing sensors on there, chrome rear plate, clear indicator lenses, but the paintwork, as I say, is in superb order. There is nothing I could sort of show you which would be detrimental to even purchasing this vehicle. Wheel trims are all in lovely condition, but what an absolute cracker. I've drove it, I've sold loads of Outlanders, and they are arguably a really nice 4-wheel drive to drive, or SUV, but in van form, if you've got the ability to have one as a van, well, super duper, you've dropped on. Now inside we've got an absolutely immaculate interior. I hope you can see it in this sunshine, but there's not a mark on any seat. If this was a car I'd be happy, never mind a van. But everything is in superb condition. The graphite detailing, the same as that on the Outlander car, is on the van. So we've got electric windows on the front, remote central locking electric window mirrors. We've got cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, 16,662 miles, digital climate control aircon, it's ice cold the aircon as well, 6-speed transmission. The passenger seat I don't think it's even been sat in. But the whole car is in perfect order. It really is. It's a testament to the first owner and then the second keeper for maintaining it and keeping it as good as it was. But it even smells new in here. I don't smoke, and I can tell this isn't smoked. We have a bulkhead, factory bulkhead, with a window in there, all complete Mitsubishi, so everything is factory. Absolutely gorgeous piece of kit this. Really, really super car van. You keep saying car, don't I? Now, opening the doors, this is a safe, or a security safe, which can be removed. We have had that out when we've valeted this van. So you can remove that if you don't need it. We can dispose of that for you if there's no requirement for it. But it's a safe box. We've got the carpets on the doors and the windows. Coming round to the rear, again, the Mitsubishi roof rack. Then internal on this tailgate, then we've got a security rear screen. And then we've got the non-slip floor, which is in near perfect condition. There's where the back seat would be in a car, is the security box. So whatever this van or the first users were detailing it for must have had some valuable equipment. We've got LED internal lighting, which at night that is as bright as a floodlight. But everything is superb. There isn't anything that can be negative or detrimental to the purchase of this vehicle. It's brilliant. Could fit a lot of uses this, whether you're inspecting of inspectors, whether you're site managers, or whether you're, I don't know, you could do towing with it. You can do everything with this vehicle. As I say, we do have the key for the lockable safe. Steel, loads of space, loads of stuff you can do with this. A real cracker of a van. But having only done 16,662 miles. So we've got 2 keys, we've got full book pack, we've got the variety of options that Mitsubishi specially built on these. Remembering that in 2014 this was Van of the Year, what Van's Van of the Year. Super on fuel, great to drive, cruise, Bluetooth, aircon, the whole shebang. We'll service it before it leaves Wigan. Got 2 services before ourselves. Have a look on the MOT history, you can see that it's done virtually no miles whatsoever, and it's in superb order. So somebody's going to get themselves a real bargain here, let me tell you. So give us a call. I'm Graham, there's Dom, and there's Lee on sales. Have a look on our Facebook page, you'll see lots of customers from all over the land picking cars up from us. We do a click and collect, we can reserve this vehicle, and then we can prepare it for you, so you only have to come and view it once in Wigan, and at which point, should you wish to purchase it, you can drive away on the same day. Okay, so thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.